The biggest ocean on Earth is the Pacific Ocean. It covers more than 63 million square miles, 165 million square kilometers, which is about 1/3 of the Earth's surface. It's also the deepest ocean, with the Mariana Trench being the deepest point on the planet. The Pacific Ocean is home to the Ring of Fire, a region where about 75% of the world's active volcanoes are located. This area is highly seismic and experiences frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The Pacific Ocean is home to some of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. It hosts over 25,000 islands, and its waters are teeming with a wide range of marine life, including whales, sharks, sea turtles, and coral reefs.